running late. I'm always running late. I work as the LOD today, meaning I have to like run the store, and I'm gonna make it by 7:02, which is not okay. Late. Work was good. Work was longer. It was nice kind of being there a little later. It was nice not waking up at 3 in the morning. Woke up at 5. I used to have to be at work at 5. And it was really rough. Sanitizer. I love this because it's like Target red. She was hard to get. She was hard to get. I remember the day a lady tried to buy 8 of them, and we told her 1 per guest. She put them back. I waited 15-20 minutes, said, oop, she's mine. She's mine. I had to have it. So I'm just gonna go home. We're gonna have like some haddock and Brussels sprouts for dinner. I should have grabbed some more tamari while I was in there, but sometimes I get off and I just want to like run out of there. Like I don't want to shop. And some days I'm there for like another 30 minutes shopping afterwards. So it depends on the day, and today was one of those days. I said I'm done. I'm not going back in there. I'm walking out of the office and I'm going home. Omar ordered that $20 Yeezy stuff, and it came in the mail. Oh wow.
Shirt, sweats. Shirt.
What does that even say?
I have no fucking idea. And I was like, I'm not gonna wear it until I figure it out.
So I have a little more cleaning to do, and then we're gonna actually start dinner now. I'm gonna throw some rice in and start, what's the word? Oh, the water's about to spill. Steam them. I'm gonna start steaming the Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna do these haddock fillets. Get these from Whole Foods. It's like a package like this. And then I'm gonna steam, which honestly, could do Brussels sprouts, but I just got these yesterday. I probably should do this broccoli that we've had for a little longer. We're just gonna do the Brussels sprouts because that's what I bought these for, was to go with the fish. I can save the broccoli for chicken. Oh, if you guys haven't tried this creamer yet, oh my gosh. This combination actually, these guys, top tier. So I'm about to start cooking. One of my favorite vloggers, Danielle, I'm gonna watch while I cook. Weekend my life in New York. Dinner was really good. I'm actually about to get in the shower now. I just want to get relaxed and start editing this vlog. I'm excited. I haven't done like a full weekly vlog where you just keep vlogging, but I know the last thing I need to do is save all the editing for the end. I'm not gonna do that to myself. I'm gonna edit some tonight, and then I'm gonna try my best to be in bed and asleep by like 10 o'clock latest. Okay, they put Reba on Netflix. Good night, guys.